Hey, good afternoon. Bob from Trade Genius here. It's the 8th of May. We all survived the Cinco de Mayo weekend. But I wanted to talk to you about a trade here that I'm quite interested in. Not so much the trade itself, but what it probably means for the stock market. And this is the index for Japan. And so we have the things that I look at and make sure that are tucked away from me to make a purchase is that looking at the broad trend of the linear regression line is that we're upwardly biased. So the Japanese market is slowly getting purchased, and I added a line on this chart now that I'm gonna start using. I use it when I trade futures, but this is a moving average of the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price. And you can have a reversion to the mean on price, but you can also have a reversion to the mean on volume of price. And so as you look here, when it gets stretched above or below the volume price, just like the linear regression line, it'll tend to push back towards it because traders are like sheep, and they like to flock together. So looking here, we have the linear regression line is telling us, hey, it's okay to buy the dips, and the VWAP is telling us that we came back down towards a minimum of a neutral area, and we bounced off it a little bit. And on the momentum side, um, going back into Wednesday, Thursday, it looks like it bottomed, and the uh, the intensity is not yet oversold enough to cycle back up, but my bias line hit, and this is a calculation that I created. I've been doing this thing manually, and I finally got around this weekend to kind of write the expression and the true false indicator for it, and it just helps me be put in a position here where uh, I know I got the shorter term trend in my favor too. So it's indicating to me as well that uh, price is turning up. And so I have 4 out of 5 things going for me. The only thing that gives me pause here is the intensity, but it's pushed down pretty hard, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this turn up as well going into next week. So I think buying the yen with the stop on the low of you know low 11s here would probably be a pretty safe bet, and there's a good chance you'll get a 10 or 15% move out of this before it turns back down again. So anyway, have a great evening. I'll probably push out a few more other videos, so check back. If you like these, subscribe. They're free, and support my efforts here. And if you really like what we're doing and you want to get real-time signals, sign up and join and enjoy some good profits along with us. Have a great night. Bye.